Ilocos Norte. My father's name is Charlie Visitacion. My mother's name is Beverly Visitacion. I have two brothers, 35 and 32 years old. My religion is Iglesia ni Cristo. High school graduate. I worked before as domestic helper in Malaysia. Finished contract. I do cook. I do clean house. I do taking care of beds and car wash.
Why did you intend to work in Hong Kong?
I intend to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and my two children, Mom, for their future.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My responsibilities and duties as a cook, clean the house, taking care of older and baby's mom.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, Mom, I cook Chinese food, fried rice, steamed food, and soup, Chinese soup.
How did you take good care of children and young baby?
Giving bath, vitamins, and cook for them, Mom.
Your message to your prospective employers.
Mom, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to do my best as your domestic helper. Thank you and good day.